Hello guys, today we're going to be creating a website. Practically this tutorial how to the tips and tricks of Google sites and Google websites. So right now go to Google Drive, or if you don't already have a Google account, go make one and go to Google Drive right here. Just pick it and then you can go create a site. You can go to sites if you want to. See, click that big red button over there and you can create a new site. Okay, then go to Google Drive and click on the little button. Let me just restart a little bit. Sorry. Go to Google Drive. And then you just click on the button, click new, and click more, and click sites. Since I already have this site all set up here, you'll arrive at a page similar to this. Right now you can go edit the title. For example, I'll do R and A. I'll change the image, select image. I'll just change it to whatever I want. See? And then get a text box and go R and A. First video. Yeah guys, it's pretty cool, man. So this is how it works. And then you could add embed links like that. This is just funny, so that's why I chose it. And then you can do from Drive. I have some papers. I'll just choose this really quick. And then, yeah, it's pretty nice. And then you can add images. I'll select some images. Because, albums, classroom, what images, blah, 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 blah. No. Cancel. But you get what I mean. I'll just upload an image. That. Oh, never mind. I'll do this. Oh, this is taking quite a while, so I don't know. You can go check your phone or something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I got a beautiful picture of just the eye. Credits of Pokemon. And then you can go down here and change the layout. Like this, I could add select image from search. I could search for pigs. There. Pig. Search for pigs. And then, if you guys are scared of pigs, just try blocking that part. Just saying. Then I'll upload back from Marsh. And then I'll just yeah, you just keep doing this with different templates, little Minecraft skin I got. Yeah, and I just want to do with that. Yeah. Then you could add calendar, forms, charts. You just create charts using Google Sheets, which I'll show in another video, which contributes to my Google series. And then you can create a button. I'm going to name that button button. And then the link's going to be that. Sorry. Yeah, credits to Kevin Higgs, who, made this thing. Really, he just made it. Yeah, Kevin Higgs is the guy who. See, if I just click on it, it'll work. It'll work once I publish. Cancel. Yeah, I would not like to add that. Or I could create dividers, which divide your pages up, and then you can do that. There you could add text on there, on the divider, and then you could change the theme too. It's you can change the diplomat, which would be all fancy, You can change it to, I'll just change the colors up. Okay. You can change the vision, level, impression, and Aristotle. It's simple. It's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. And guys, stay tuned for my Google tutorial series. Goodbye.